To analyze the differences between XLM and XRP, we need to understand the basics of each cryptocurrency. XLM, also known as Stellar, is an open-source network that facilitates cross-border payments, while XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, which also enables fast and low-cost international transactions. First, let's look at their purposes. XLM is designed to provide financial access to individuals in developing countries, while XRP is focused on providing liquidity to financial institutions. This difference in purpose affects their use cases and the problems they aim to solve. In terms of technology, XLM uses a distributed ledger technology called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which allows for fast and secure transactions. On the other hand, XRP uses the Ripple protocol, which also enables fast and secure transactions, but with a focus on institutional use. Another key difference is the transaction speed. XLM transactions are typically confirmed in 2 to 5 seconds, while XRP transactions are confirmed in 2 to 5 seconds as well. However, XRP has a higher transaction capacity, making it more suitable for large-scale institutional use. When it comes to supply, XLM has a total supply of 50 billion, while XRP has a total supply of 100 billion. The distribution of these supplies also differs, with XLM being more widely distributed among the community, while XRP is mostly held by the Ripple company. In terms of partnerships and adoption, XRP has a strong lead, with partnerships with major financial institutions such as banks and payment providers. XLM, on the other hand, has partnerships with nonprofit organizations and smaller financial institutions. Ultimately, the choice between XLM and XRP depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency with a strong focus on institutional use and high transaction capacity, XRP may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a cryptocurrency with a wider distribution and a focus on individual use, XLM may be more suitable. It's also important to consider the market trends and the potential for growth. Both XLM and XRP have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's essential to do your own research and stay up to date with the latest developments before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, while both XLM and XRP have their unique features and use cases, XRP is generally considered more superior due to its strong partnerships and high transaction capacity. However, XLM still has its own strengths and can be a good choice for individual users and nonprofit organizations.